Welcome back to EaseLaw.in, your trusted platform for easy and smart legal drafting. Got a legal document in image or PDF format but can't edit it? Don't worry, EaseLaw has the perfect solution. With the image or PDF to text converter, you can turn scanned files into editable text in just a few seconds. Step 1. Visit EaseLaw.in on your browser. Step 2. Go to the Generate Documents section. Step 3. Select image or PDF to text converter. Now, upload your image or PDF file. The system will instantly extract the text for you, clean, accurate, and ready to edit. You can copy, make changes, or even generate a new document using that text. Simple, smart, and time-saving, that's EaseLaw.in, making legal documentation easier than ever before.